Today I have to replace this thermo vacuum valve, which is broken on here. It's actually stuck on at the moment. There you go, a super glue. This brings the fuel vapours back around to the carbon canister. I had to order this one from Mercedes-Benz of Calabasas, so it took like a month and a half to arrive, and it's cost around £100 by the time you've had import charges and shipping costs and actually buying the piece. It probably would have made more sense to actually go and buy another car and get the old one off, but we're here now. You can see that piece is snapped off because this one will just pop off. It's got the plastic there, that's the broken one. So that needs to come off. It has got this ring around it. And then the bolt we need to take out underneath. Might make sense to take that one off. Right, I've taken the one out next to it because I thought it might help me get into the one I need to get into, but it just starts spurting out something that really smells. I don't know what it is. It's just like gliding away. It really stinks. I don't know what it is. Right. There we go. That's how you get this one out. There it is, it's out. I'm pretty mangled, pretty dirty. So let's put the other one in. That's the difference between the two. That's the new one from Mercedes in Calabasas, and it looks in a lot better condition than this old one. As you can see, these two parts are now snapped off. One because I had to try and get to the bottom, which I realised afterwards I probably could have just taken this round white piece off, but there you go. But yeah, that was buggered. So we're swapping out for this one. It turns out it reaches even without taking that white piece off, as long as you got the bolt on the left taken out. But remember, it spurted out something, I don't know what it was. It's been really gentle with it because I don't want to snap it because it's an expensive part. And now I've got to remember which one of these takes which one of these hoses. I'm pretty sure I've worked out that the one that sticks out at a bit of an angle is the one that was already working, so it'll be the one without the super glue, so this one. And this other one will go on there. We'll just check there's no super glue in that. Nope. Oh wait, this is the one that comes out a bit of an angle. So that's that one. And then that is that one. And now I need to put the old bolt back in for the other one, which is here. Same size as the other one, 19mm. There's that one done up, and then we'll put this back in, the electrics, and hopefully it will work. There's nothing leaking out of them, so that's also another good sign, so hopefully that's all alright. That is the thermo valve done.